Hi Leo, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate, but you can check and watch your moon and rising placements. Kasi minsan, mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Leo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you, Leo. Leo. Okay. We have savings. You always need to put something off for a bad day. Create savings for the future. Okay? Mag-ipon for the future. Okay. For some of you, you are spending on unnecessary things. Okay? You need to set aside for the future. Money tree. Dreams come true. You will get what you have long desired. Enjoy your wealth. Okay? Dreams come true, Leo. Money will come na hindi mo in-expect, or maybe you've been expecting this, matagal mo na itong gusto, and now you will be receiving it. Okay? You need to set aside some money for the future. You need to save. Okay? Exhausted. Feel financially drained, lacking viable options, recharge, and regroup. For some of you, you are financially drained, you are exhausted. Okay? You are looking for other ways and options to earn extra income. Okay? Baka for some of you, magkakaroon ng mga extra jobs. You've been doing overtime at work and you are exhausted. Okay? Nag-iisip kayo ng mga paraan pa para kumita. Okay? Aside from your main job. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, enjoy your wealth. You have more than enough. You have enough savings as well. Okay? Enjoy your hard-earned money. Let us see what are the messages from the tarot. Oh. For Leo, please, Leo. Yung iba sa inyo masyadong nag-iisip, okay? Madami kayong wino-worry. You have negative thoughts. Okay? Kailangan yung iwasan para maging masaya kayo. Okay? Kailangan yung i-divert ang inyong energy, ang inyong attention. Para maging masaya kayo. Okay? For some of you, marami kayong iniisip, pinoproblema. You are not contented or satisfied with your current situation. Okay? Or with your previous situation. So, you are moving forward. Okay? You are going towards your ambition. Okay? And you have been successful in your endeavor. You feel that you are now in the right path. You feel happy. Okay? You are now in your dream job. You are focusing on your work. You are busy. You are developing new skills, new insights, okay? Na makakatulong sa inyo sa work. Okay. May mga options, okay? And choices. May mga tinitingnan kayo na mga options, but you have to review it carefully. Okay? But at the same time, do not procrastinate. If you think na kailangan mong gawin yon, then do it. Okay? For some of you, meron kayong aaralin na mga new skills na makakatulong sa inyo financially. Okay? You've been thinking about it. You want to chase your dreams. Now you have the chance, the opportunity to do it. Okay, Leo? Search and do what is best for you. Okay. Merong collaboration. Okay, you are looking forward for a new exciting endeavor. Pagkakabisihan ninyo, okay, you are looking forward, may mga challenges, but you know with plannings, time management, ma-overcome ninyo yun with your skills and talents, okay? Makikipag-cooperate ka, collaborate for some people or for a partner, okay? Merong pagkakasunduan. Yeah. Planning is needed. Okay, iniisip mo na siya ngayon kung paano mo gagawin, Leo. You are excited about it. Yung iba sa inyo, gustong mag-travel, nag-iisip na mag-travel, magpunta ng ibang bansa. Yeah. You are looking forward for some exciting events. Yes. Meron kayong gustong puntahan, meron kayong gustong gawin. Matagal nyo na tong nais, okay? You've been wanting this for a long time already. You are just waiting for the perfect timing. Be patient, Leo. Okay? And be also considerate with your current situation. Yeah. You need to balance your emotions. Balance everything. Tame yourself. Yeah. Marami kayong gustong gawin. May gusto kayong aralin. Maybe you are thinking of developing your skills. Okay. Yes, tame yourself. You have the inner strength. Be patient. Okay. Kailangan din ng strength mo, ng skills mo, ng kakayahan mo para ma-achieve mo yung plans mo, yung goals. Okay. You will need creativity, planning. Yeah. Yeah. There is family support. Okay. You will have the resources to do it. You are hoping, you are expecting or looking forward that this endeavor, creative endeavor, or yung pag-aaralan ninyo will give, yung magbibigay sa inyo ng kaluwagan when it comes to finances, okay? Makakatulong ka sa inyong family. You're thinking about it. Magbibigay ito ng direksyon sa life mo. Magbibigay ng kaliwanagan. Yeah. You will have the freedom or independence. Okay? Meron kang kakayahan. Okay? Yeah. Magbibigay ito ng, yung opportunity na to, magbibigay ito ng confidence para sa sarili mo. And independence at the same time. Okay? For some of you, you will be financially independent sa itong endeavor na to, sa mga plano nyo, sa mga gusto ninyong gawin. Okay? This has something to do with creativity. Yeah. Believe in yourself. Keep moving forward, okay? Kung may mga problema or challenges, choose your battle wisely. Defend yourself. Defend what you want, okay? Leo. Magtiwala ka sa iyong kakayahan at sa sarili mo, okay? You've been wanting to do this for a long time and now mayroon kang chance and opportunity to do it. When it comes to your finances, spend it moderately, okay? You need to balance your money, okay? You are also thinking about the people around you. Okay? You will have enough to spend sa mga kakailanganin, okay? In your family. Okay? Be kind and be considerate to others or to your family members, okay? Yeah. You will gain the independence that you've been wanting, okay? You will be financially secured and independent. Kung ano yung mga pangangailangan mo, it will be provided. Okay? Be patient. Kung may mga tao na kailangan ng inyong pag-unawa, okay? Give it to them. Forgive, okay? Release harshness, Leo. Yeah. Kung may mga distraction and all that, be patient. Be patient. Okay? You are very hopeful for the future. Okay? You have a lot of plans in your mind to improve yourself, to improve kung ano man yung mga projects or yung work mo or passion project. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Kailangan ng hard work at the same time and patience on your part for you to be able to do it. Okay? Let us see kung ano pa yung mga messages for you, Leo. Tiger, doing something risky, taking a chance, okay? You have the confidence to take a chance, to do something risky. It should be a calculated risk, Leo. When you do something like that, let's see for Leo, please. Leo. Ring, A marriage will take place, either romantic or business. Star, guaranteed success. Okay. Expect success, Leo. For some of you, you will be known. Okay. Nakikilala kayo. You have the star. You will be successful in your endeavor. Okay. Merong ring or partnership, either in business or in romantic. Your partner is supportive of you. Okay. We have skull. Hidden secrets can harm you. Okay. There are hidden secrets. Okay. Be aware or beware. Some secrets are harmful. Okay. Some secrets are healthy. Yung ibang secrets, ilalagay ka sa alanganin. Okay, so be careful, Leo. Be aware of that. We have July. So, some good things, important things, memorable things will happen in July. July will be a memorable, important month for you. August and August at the same time. Okay. July and August, birthday month of Leo. So expect good things in July and August, Leo. So yun lang yung mga messages for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.